how to hide desktop icons without deleting them in Windows 11. In this tutorial, I'll show you two easy methods to do it. The first method hides all of your desktop icons at once. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. Next, hover over View. Then click Show Desktop Icons to uncheck it. All of your desktop icons will instantly disappear, but they won't be deleted. To show them again, simply right-click on the desktop, go to View, and click Show Desktop Icons again. If you only want to hide a specific desktop icon, right-click the icon and select Properties. Under the General tab, check the Hidden option. Then click Apply, followed by OK. To view the hidden icon again, open File Explorer and go to your desktop folder. Next, click View, then Show, and enable Hidden Items. The hidden icon will now appear with a faded look. Right-click the icon, select Properties, uncheck the Hidden option, and click Apply and OK. Your desktop icon will now be visible again. And that's it. You've successfully hidden desktop icons without deleting them in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Windows 11 tips and tutorials.